everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Trance wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working, whether it's because it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you decide to just go ahead and buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get a good speaker at a great price. The second reason you might want to do this reset is just for whatever reason where you want to clear or delete all of the pairing history so that you can pair this speaker like it's a brand new speaker. This factory reset will do that as well, and it's really easy to do. Just with the speaker on the top, all the way on the right, you're going to find the Bluetooth button, and then next to that you'll find the volume up button. You just need to hold that volume up and Bluetooth buttons simultaneously for 8 seconds. After 8 seconds, it will cause this speaker to reset to its factory default settings, and after that you can just go ahead and set it up like it's a new speaker.